Hey, today I'm going to be unboxing my little PCI test card kit here. Now I received this as a gift from the manufacturer, so I could use it to create some content. But today I'm just going to kind of show you what's in here. So first you get this cool little case. It's a nice zip-up case, has a little carrying handle. So feels good, feels nice and sturdy and well protected. So let's open up and see what we have. So here we're going to have our PCI test board, which is this one right here. And now if you've never used a post card before, I'll tell you what they are. POST stands for Power on Self-Test, and it helps identify issues with the computer. So this would plug into the, well, right here, would plug into the PCI port on your computer. And then you'd be able to get test codes up here, you get their lights, and they give you a whole manual that tells you what to look for and what the different codes mean. But that's what that one is. And then we also have this one in here that would go for like a laptop. So the same type of thing, but it would be in a laptop. You get your anti-static strap, which if you've worked on computers like I have for many years, these are great. They have the metal right under here that's attached to your skin. You clip this on another piece of metal to discharge any static electricity. Keep it on while you work on the computer so you don't accidentally fry any components. You get, if I can get it out, there we go. You get the power switch. So what you want to use this for is, say your computer's not turning on at all. You actually can hook this up to override the power switch on the front of your computer or on top of your computer, depending on where your power switch is. You'd plug this in instead to the motherboard and hit your power button, and it would force it to try to boot up. And that would let you know if you just have a faulty power button. The last thing I have to show you in here is the power supply tester. So it has all the instructions written nicely on here. And to be successful, all of your lights will end up having to be on. But that's if you're using the floppy drive. You're not gonna use a floppy drive. If you do, it can test that too. But yeah, that's all that is. That's a power supply tester. It makes sure your power supply is working as expected. Overall, this is a very good kit, very comprehensive. It is for older computers though, with the regular PCI as opposed to the PCIe, which most newer computers would have. But if you like to work on old computers, or you own a computer repair company like I do, you definitely need to pick up a postcard kit, and this is a very good option. If you would like to pick one of these up for yourself, you can do that through the product link in this video's description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since it is an affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more tech tips, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss new content, and have a great day.